Hello world, today I'm going to show you my project network for CS50. So first I'm going to create a new post. And as you can see, the post has been created at the top of the page. And now I'm going to show you the profile page of the admin user, for example. This user has 1 followers and is following 20 users. And besides, we can see all the posts made by this particular user. I can click on follow or follow to follow this user. And of course, if I go to my own profile page, I won't be able to follow myself. Another page important to show you is the following page. In this page, we can see all the posts made by all the users that I follow. If I go back to the admin profile and unfollow this user, and now refresh this page, as you can see, this page has changed. And of course, this link is only available to the users that are signed in. As you can see, the link is no longer there. Another important page is the all post page. In this page, you can see all the posts made by all the users. If there are more than 10 posts, then the pagination will appear here. So click on next to go to the next page. Click on previous to go to the previous page. And that was it. Now I'm going to show you that this all post or this pagination works on any page that has to do with post. So for example, going to test profile, this page also has a pagination at the bottom of the page. The following page also work with pagination. So as you can see, the pagination is here, and that's a pagination. So now I'm going to show you how to edit a post. For example, going to this post, click on save, and it worked. Of course, we can only available to edit the post that belongs to me. For example, in this post made by the admin user, I cannot edit this post. And what will happen if I put this button edit on this user? So in order to do that, I'm going to edit a little my code. Refresh this page. And as you can see, the edit button appears in here. So I'm going to try to edit this post. Save, and I cannot edit this post because this post doesn't belong to me. So if I check the console, we can see an error message that says you are trying to edit a post that doesn't belongs to you. So now I'm going to put my code as it was. And finally, I'm going to show you the like and unlike functionality. I can click on this heart and the count of likes is changing. I can like, and I think that was it. Thanks for watching.